So we're doing a mukbang, but the twist is it's a healthy and green mukbang. Oh, eat this. Have some asparagus. Here, I have one more.
Wow!
Hi, it's a fantastic day because we're here with a new video and you're here watching. Welcome to our channel! Hi everyone, I am Franco and this is the love of my life, my baby boy, Callum. Aww. Say hi everyone. Hi. Yeah, so we're here with a very special video. As you can see, we have food all over here with us and we're doing a mukbang. 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 Say mukbang. So we're doing a mukbang, but the twist is it's a healthy and green mukbang. I really want to do this because it's something that it's fun and I think Callum will be really up to it. Wow. If you're wondering where is Freya, it's Saturday today, so her and her daddy Kiran is out with the bonding, so me and Callum are bonding over a mukbang.
One eternity later.
So maybe we'll start digging and we're going to start talking about why I did this mukbang with Callum, okay? So, but first, I want to introduce to you with our food. To make him stay still, I'm putting my laptop here. So the food here, we have, of course, rice. We need rice because Callum likes rice. We have cucumbers. Say cucumbers. Do you want some? You can start now. We have cucumbers. So this recipe is from my grandma. It's just vinegar and pepper and salt. Yummy. Yummy, yeah. Yummy. Tata is also will have cucumber. Ding. So it's cucumbers. We have celery. We have iceberg lettuce. Nothing, just washed. Just fresh. Steamed broccoli.
Mama,
Do you want more? More? Oh. He likes cucumbers. That's good. Okay, so we have blanched string beans. Nothing else, just blanched. No oils, no salt, no pepper. We have boiled asparagus. Blanched, actually, asparagus. Nothing, no salt, no pepper. And we have spinach. So this one has soy sauce. It's blanched. And it has soy sauce and sesame oil and some sesames. And some stir-fried cabbage. This one has stir-fried with garlic. With garlic. Oh, you want to eat now? You use fork. So as you can see, Callum, we've been noticing Callum. It started with broccoli actually. Here's your spoon. Do you want it? You can have rice. So we're just going to dig in. So I really want to do this green healthy mukbang because I've been noticing, we noticed since Callum was a kid, he likes anything green.
Wow.
It started with broccoli and here. It started with broccoli and then I'll get your water. What do you say? So we've been noticing when he was a kid that it started with broccoli, that he likes eating greens, and until now, he like if there's a dish like for example sinigang, he always say green one. He prefers eating the vegetable than the meat. You want some broccoli? Broccoli? So what I'm saying is like Callum have been always liking greens when he was young, and Freya is a different story. Like Freya is the picky eater. I think it's just common for kids. We never pressured Callum to eat his greens, but as a kid, he likes eating anyway.
Mommy, one.
You want? Oh, here, put it in red rice. Do you want it with rice? So this is his favorite meal. This is his favorite meal. Just spinach and rice.
Wow!
Actually, I don't know. This is just blanch, actually. Like it? Yummy?
Mama?
Oh. Put it here. Say, what color is this?
Me, one.
Green. After the green one, this one. So, asparagus. This is yummy.
Mama?
Yeah, it's kind of a big deal for me about this eating vegetable because I grew up hating vegetables, and my brother always lags me about it. Like he always teases me, "Oh, when you were young, you don't even eat any vegetable." That's why it's kind of a big deal for me. I'm so amazed that my son is eating a vegetable unlike me when I was young. Back in 2009, when I started appreciating vegetables, I started become a vegetarian, and it lasted for 2 years. He's watching his favorite show. Okay, eat now this. So maybe my tip for the parents, like I'm not professional at all, but this is what I learned from my husband, and it's a really great tip that it works with Callum and Freya, that never ever force them to eat food. Like if they don't want to eat it, let them be hungry. Like they don't give another options for them. So in that way they will learn to eat what's on the table. Oh, eat this. Have some asparagus. Good job, Callum.
Wow!
So my tip is like the kids will learn, like they're in the learning stage. They will challenge. Yes, they will challenge you. So you just need to be patient, which is a work in progress, especially if you're a new parent. You just want to give in to your kids.
Me, one.
Here, I have one more.
Me, one.
So that's what happened with Callum maybe. That he will just eat what's in the table. Like whatever that he cannot see, he won't really ask for it. Like, cabbage.
Wow!
That's a cabbage. And we're really lucky. Like part of it is by being lucky that he likes eating vegetable. It's not hard for him. And I think live by example. So if your kid live by example. So I think he's been seeing me and my husband enjoying vegetables, and then maybe that's why he really likes eating vegetables as well. My husband is telling me like it's good that not forcing your kids to eat vegetables, because the kid will have negative connotation with food or with vegetables. Okay.
Yeah, me one.
You want some of this? This one. Yeah, so I think that what happened to me when I was a kid. Like I'm being punished. Give me another one. I'm being punished. Like if I don't eat vegetable when I was a kid. Like you will be locked in the room. You'll be put in the corner. So I really had a negative, really bad memories with eating vegetable because I'm getting punished. Yeah, so that's why I never liked vegetable growing up. That applies with my tip that just let the kids eat it. Asparagus again. Let the kids eat it, try it. If they don't like it, that's fine. Try it again next time. So trial and error. Like if they don't like it, like with Freya, like we're still in the process of like trying and testing with her. Like she won't like it, but we will try it again next time. Then next on and off with Freya. So
Wash hands now, Freya.
wash hands. You need to wash hands. Oh, Freya's here. Wash your hands now. String beans. Cheers. Are you full? You want to cabbage? Chew. Daddy and Freya are back now from their bonding. Callum got Kinder Egg from Freya. I hope we gave you a few ideas of letting your kids enjoy their veggies. So please don't forget to, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like button and don't forget to subscribe. And Callum wants to eat his Kinder Egg already and Daddy will help us to finish all of this. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Kiss.